I go to school every day. Please come here. We eat lunch at noon. She drinks milk daily. I read English books. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. Can you speak English? Listen to your teacher. They watch TV at night. The children play cricket. I run in the park. We walk to school. We walk to school. She sleeps early. I study English every day. My father works in an office. I buy vegetable from the market. He sells fruits. Please open the door. Close the window. She helps her mother. I am at home. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am sad. I am busy. I am happy. I am ready. I am at home. I am studying. I am studying. I am eating food. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am playing cricket. I am coming home. These are my friends. I love my family. I will come tomorrow. The weather is nice. Have a nice day. He is my brother.